Top of the morning, everyone. Let's get this bread. We're here with live option trades. I already grabbed two calls on the SPY right here pretty soon. I think we'll find out if they're going to be any good. XO Cold, top of the morning. Just to let y'all know or just update you what SPY call I got. I think I got like a 639 expiring today, and I got a 640 expiring tomorrow. Um, so yeah, let me get the poll going real quick. All right, is the stock market going to close red or green today? Oh, hold up. Red, green, break even. All right, we ain't here. Okay, I see. All right, so to kind of show y'all what I'm seeing already. So I noticed first thing that kind of happened today is we came in, we sold off, filled this gap kind of early. So I think honestly once we got to about this like 637 like 40 area, that's when I grabbed a call. And then I kind of rode here, but I noticed we had left some liquidity here, made some liquidity. So on the daily SPY call I actually grabbed a second one here. First one I think I got in 31. The second one I think I got for like maybe like 12 cents per share. Per share. And it would have been nice to grab down here, but yeah, I was like, hey, this looks like it possible liquidity. So I think we could push up from here for the rest of the day, but we'll kind of have to see. D-Scurve, top of the morning. AMD on the hunt to pass NVIDIA. Hey, that AMD is doing well. Real quick update on it. Oh, we need to refresh this. Hold up. Oh, okay. Well, this AMD is not the same point where I bought it at, but even when I like added it on here, it's still up 68. But yeah, AMD, hey, it's doing this thing. Brand, top of the morning. Jamie, good morning, and good morning. Sold my AMD and Palantir calls early. Hey, good stuff, good stuff. Well, it's a good thing you sold out of Palantir. I was actually thinking about getting a short on Palantir. I didn't think it would come out like this, but I was looking at it on the, this channel we have on Palantir. I jumped up to the weekly and I was like, oh, I'm like, it's, oh, hold up. That is not how it just looked. Bro, I think I just messed it up. Maybe. Oh, no, that's the 4 hour. This is not how it looked a moment ago. I don't know. Clarence, top of the morning, top of the morning. All right, so how was everyone's weekend? How are we feeling about the market right now? We got a lot of earnings this week. AMD broke above the trend line on the yeah. That's when I entered that trade. On Friday they broke like right at open. Oh wait, that's not AMD, that's the SPY. On Friday, yeah, they entered over here, and then like once I kind of saw that, or once I saw they broke that, that's when I entered the call. That's kind of what I'm in on right now. Where we go? We kind of started selling off a little bit. Like, all right, I guess we sold off kind of hard. Like, oh, this last candle right here, we just sold down like out of nowhere. Fill up morning, everyone bought a 0 DTE call 38 strike. I'm in a 39 strike, so I hope we both do well. Oh, and you got it on that sell off too. Yeah, you'll probably do a lot better than me. If I do well, you're gonna do amazing. Danny, top of the morning, top of the morning. Well, hey, Spot looks like it's trying to do well. First place I'd be a little nervous about. It's like if it comes back up to this, or when it comes back up to this like 637, like 65 kind of area. So that could be a little resistance right there, but yeah, just because we crossed down on the EMAs, but I think we can make our way back up. Really just depends on what they want to do, what script they want to run. I feel like it's always so weird for me adjusting from the weekend. I get used to not being right at the computers, and then, hey, now I'm back in this thing at the charts. Oh, hold up. Yeah, Nvidia, like right there at like 174. It's crazy. All right, let's see. That was a super sweep of liquidity, so I hope it's nowhere. But yeah, that's what I'm saying. So yeah, it's tough when you're down on a lower time frame. But yeah, it's like you kind of get used to it. Sometimes I say I'll give it like 15 minutes in case it's like a sweep on a 4 hour. So if we like look at the SPY, it's like, yo, when this was happening, it's like, wow, that thing is falling. It's like, oh, are we about to just do this the rest of the day? But then like my thoughts were, it's like, let me wait. If it gets nasty, it's nasty. But let me wait, because this could be a sweep on the 4 hour, or maybe not. That does not look like a 4 hour sweep. I don't know, but maybe it's a 1 hour. Let's see. Nah, I'm not. Honestly, I'm not really liking this. I'm not liking how the 1 hour looks either. Yeah, it's like I'll get in and see what happens, but honestly, now that I'm like now I see what it looked like on the 1 hour, I'm not necessarily loving it. But there's still potential looking off at the 4 hour. Top of the morning, M since mid morning. Been TV lurking. Commercial just hit me, made me remember to get on my phone and press like. Oh, I got you on the commercials. No more TV commercials. Or at least not for this stream. Let's see. There we go. Yeah, should be good now. I'm in SPY 640 call 0 DTE paid 13. Hey, we'll see. We'll see. What are we looking like on the 5? So I would still like to see us like make a new high. We're still actually we can probably draw a trend line down. See if we can cross this trend line or if we're just going to continue to come on down. Yeah, we'll see if anything can happen with that. See if we can make any kind of progress. Tesla finally got some good news with their deal with Samsung. Oh, that's what the Samsung deal was. I saw something about Samsung this morning. I guess I must have been like sleepy when I saw it because I didn't see anything to do with Tesla. I just saw something about Samsung. I don't even remember what I saw. Let's see. But yeah, that's good. Let me see if I can get a little bit more insight on that. I don't even know where I got that. Oh wait, hold up. Yeah, I don't even know where I got the notification from. Sorry, y'all. I got distracted by a little bot comment thing. All right, let's see. Appreciate that incense. Bread guy. Hey, top of the morning. Top of the morning. Tesla up 3.5 on the day. Yeah, Tesla's doing this thing. Doing this thing. Lots of earnings yeah, a lot of earnings this week. I think in the morning we got SoFi, PayPal. Actually, we can just. So in the morning we got SoFi, PayPal, Boeing, Spotify, UPS. Don't really ever look at these. But then after tomorrow we got Visa, Mara, Starbucks. What is that? Seagate, Cheesecake Factory. Hey, Wednesday after close. Start getting to the money. You got Qualcomm, Robinhood, Microsoft, Meta, ARM, Ford. Don't really mess with those other ones too much, but Anil, good morning. Yeah, I had a good weekend. Good weekend for sure. Let's see. I hope you had one as a good one as well. Hey bro, the spy call you bought expires tomorrow. Is your plan to sell it when the market? So the one I got tomorrow, yeah, it would have to be tomorrow because I don't think I have day trades in that account. So that's why I bought it tomorrow. But it's like when I was looking at it, it's like yeah, I can see us pushing back up to that area. So I was like, let's do it. I can see us pushing back though, pushing back up. So that would be me. But if I could, I probably would sell out today. But Yeah, it's like when it comes to plans, I say it's hard to like plan. It's like I plan for nothing to necessarily go according to plan. Honestly, if it goes up enough, that was on the Robinhood account, so I can like sell a contract against it and make it free, or kind of take profit and have a free trade from it. So it's like I could still get out of it today. So honestly, yeah, if it goes up enough, I'll take profit on it today. What do you expect this week with all these trade deals? Hey, honestly, I can't say. It's like we're very bullish, and I would honestly expect it to continue to be bullish until like we're given reason otherwise. But like the news has been coming out has been very positive too. So I personally expect more positivity, but anything could happen. Hey, top of the morning, Anella. On SoFi, I saw a stat on the majority of their earnings. There's a sell off city. Four out of yeah. So SoFi, I I'm not sure if I talked about it this morning or in that video I made last night, but when it comes to SoFi, I think I said I would like to see it like at least come back to this like liquidity they made right here at 1983 before I did anything to the upside. It's like I think SoFi can push higher on the year, but I do think they're going to come back at least to that level. But yeah, honestly, we'll just have to see what they say. It's like I don't like to front run earnings really. So I would personally wait till I did anything with that, but hey, Chase top in the morning. I see red on the charts today. I see a good little mix. I see some green, I see some red. I say it's like 50-50 from what I'm seeing. Like you got Tesla, AMD like pumping. You got the Qs pumping. Wait, is it? Yeah, the Qs are yeah, actually the indexes are up on the day too, barely, but they're up. Hmm. Saw a similar stat. These curve already sold a few shares. See if it keeps that up, and I'll grab them back lower. Nah, I'm gonna just hold on to mine. It's like I'll buy more, but I'm gonna just hold on to mine. I've been getting some at these higher levels. I think yesterday I was with a friend. He like doesn't really invest, or I think he might invest like $10 a week into VTI. And like I remember him talking to me like quite some time ago saying like he's like I invest but nothing ever really happens. I'm like, yo, with the amount of money that you make, I'm like you should be investing a lot more than like $10 a week. It's like homie makes six figures, and it's like he has a lot of a lot of free just income, a lot of just free spending. Has like a fat amount of savings too, and I'm like, yo, that savings would be a lot better in the stock market. And like I don't know, but I feel like he doesn't like fully realize like what kind of friend I am. I'm like, yo, you should invest that. It's like hard talking to people like this. Honestly, he's like, I want to, but it's like, oh, I'm like, yo, I told you. And it's like I think I told him it was like maybe like March this year. I was like, yo, get like a couple shares of some things. And then like yesterday we checked in on him, and like I think he got some AMD, Estee Lauder. I'm not sure. I'm not sure if there was anything else, but I know for sure he got AMD and Estee Lauder. And it's like, oh yeah, he put like, I think he got one share of AMD, and it was like $100, and he was up like 71%. And then like the Estee Lauder, he's he's up like 30%, and it's like I don't know. He gets oh, hold up. Outside of the story, we're moving up on the SPY. That's a good little sign right there. Let's see if we can close above this little area to get some higher highs on the SPY. But this is a good look right here. Looks like we're starting that uptrend, and it's looking like this sweep of liquidity is paying off. But yeah, with that kind of, it's like, yo, I think it's been like, wait, March, April, May, June, or May, June. Okay, so it's been like 4 months. And he's already up like 71% on this stuff. And then what's crazier to me is he didn't even like really seem too incentivized to do more. He was like, oh yo, I want like a high interest savings account. I'm like, yo, this is so much better. But hey, it's to each their own, man. It's tough for me sometimes. All right, let's see. Hey, you're very welcome, Jamie. What's your analysis on EU trade? So I've been saying it since last week. I think we're going to move up. That's bullish. It's positive. I think we kind of got the move from it, or more of a move from it this morning, but I think it's positive and it just moves us up. That's good. That's a lot better than what was expected. 15%. That's chill. Just wondering why the markets are bullish with 15%. Yeah, that's great. 15%, that's very chill compared to what it could be. It's like they already had tariffs on us, and we just, I don't know, I guess we just wanted we wanted tariffs too. So 15%, I don't think it should be too bad for them. But also, like, it's like, yo, I think we have the same rates. I'm not 100% sure, but it's like the fact that we came to an agreement that it sounds like we're both happy with is good. Dollar depreciating. Hey, yeah, the dollar, yeah, definitely depreciating. That's honestly, it's been doing that, but yeah, dollar definitely depreciating. It's the Dixie's below 100. It's below 99. But um, it's good to be invested because as the dollar depreciates, at least your companies still have their value. I'd love to move my savings to some kind of stable stock. It's just finding that stock for me, TBH. When you say stable stock, I don't know about like stable. Like if you dollar cost average into things, I would say you'd be fine. Like Andrew said, buy VOO long term. Um, that's the S&P 500, and that is I think that's a great, like, if you're dollar cost averaging into it, like long term it's going to be up and to the right, but like there will be dips on it. So I'm not sure I can just say, oh yeah, there's stable stocks, but it's like if you back out time wise, it's going to beat a high yield savings account, and then also it's going to be growth. So only problem is like if you need to withdraw money and it's on a like, and it happens to be on a dip. That's just unfortunate timing. Marvin, good morning. got in Tesla this morning and rode it up 110%. Hey, let's go, Natalie. Let's get it. Love to hear it. Hey, y'all be sure to smash the like button for Natalie. Also do it for me. Also do it for the family. But yo, let's go, Natalie. Love to hear that. I see Tesla doing this little zoom. That's great. It's because the market is gaining more certainty on these. Yeah, yeah. It's like yeah. That's a amazing way to put it, Philip. Certainty. We like certainty. Certainty, confidence, all that good stuff. Yeah, D skirt for real, for real. It's tough for me too. It's like I have a lot of friends where it's like I'm like, yo, you're set up so well, and you have been for so long. Like once again, like for me, it's like I graduated COVID, and then it's like I moved on top of that too, and it's like the jobs were fairly limited. So it's like when COVID happened, I was working at Walmart, and I think like 40 hours a week, and I think like I think me working 40 hours a week at Walmart, I was making like 1,200 a month. All right, so that was the most I'd ever earned at that time. Then I moved to Colorado. I work at Best Buy. Wasn't working full time, but I had started making like the same amount of money I was making on at Walmart. I was like, oh yeah, I'll be good. I'm making that on YouTube now, so I'm chilling. And then what was I gonna say? I started. I don't know. Then I started working at Best Buy, and that was honestly just so I could. They got like an amazing like they get amazing discounts on their stuff, and like it was just a cool kind of fun place to work. And then it was like what was I gonna say? Oh, I think I was paid the highest. I think it was like $15 an hour. Honestly, most of my income went towards buying stuff from the store, but I got my gear up at that point in time. Also got a lot of knowledge on computers and stuff, so I learned a lot. It's like at that point I was kind of working to learn anyway. Then after that, it's like, oh, I didn't necessarily, I don't know, things were slowing down. They were kind of about to lay people off. They weren't going to lay me off, but they were about to lay people off. And I was like, oh yeah, I was like, I can work it less. I'm like chilling. I was like, yeah, let me do more on YouTube. But then I'm like, yo, let me make some extra money. So then I went to Amazon, and then that was the most I ever made at the time. But I think when I look back at it, when I was working like the 60-hour weeks at Amazon, the most I could have made was still like 60K a year. And I'm like, yo, dude is making like six figures. And it's like, honestly, if I hadn't gone through like having to figure out how to do more with less, honestly, I'd probably be the same. I probably wouldn't know all the opportunity. I wouldn't know how to stretch the dollar. And it's like, I think sometimes when you fall into these positions too early, or if you're not raised to do that, it's a little tough for me, but it's a little tough to see, but you just don't use it wisely. Tesla's so ballsy. Yeah, Tesla is ballsy. All right, so I'm going to argue that the SPY is going to push up still, but it still hasn't still not confirmed yet. But Q's is above the support for this morning, which is good. SPY's not yet. Hey, thank you for sending congratulations her way, Sarah. Good morning, Sarah. Never understand how people with high savings don't understand an effort will bring them extra money compared to just sitting in bank to pay bills. Just hey, I don't. It's like I do to an extent, but it's like it just hurts me to see like I have come to the understanding that most of the time I have like this natural inclination to want to like help people and teach them things, but I know they're not going to receive it, or most people aren't going to receive it or take any action on it until they actually come to me. So now I just don't say anything and just wait for them to come to me. And because most otherwise I'm just like wasting my time. So I just, I have all these friends that don't really care about it, and it's like hard to watch sometimes on the cool. More than likely won't dip that low. If you can live with that, you're good, and more often savings percent will rise. Hey, for real. Oops. EFT, not effort. Wait. Okay. Oh, ETF. I got you. Bet. Thank you guys for the info. Oh, very welcome, Danny. Hold up. What's going on? Oh, okay. Just got a package. All right. SPY try to pull back. That might be a break and retest. Might be a little break and retest on the SPY. Hey, we might be getting ready for takeoff. To those of you that are here that are unaware, I did get a call earlier today. Honestly, or on the SPY, I'm honestly probably down on them. Let me check. So I grabbed a SPY 640 call expiring tomorrow, and I paid 65 per share. It's currently 46 per share. And then I grabbed a SPY call expiring today. It's a 639, and I paid 31 per share for the first contract, and I got a second one for 13 per share. And I'm up on the second one, but my average cost I'm down on right now. My average cost is 22 or 23 per share. So just a little update. Tesla break even price. What's the like when it comes to Tesla's break even? That's going to depend on what price you get in on the contract. Yoko, good morning. George, good morning. Henry, good morning. Got frustrated on opening. My 6 contracts on IWM were up 240. Tried to close on Tasty Trade, wouldn't close. Kept drifting. Bro, I know how that goes. That's very annoying. So it's been years since I've used Tasty Trade, but I personally didn't love it. I know some people love it and swear by it. It just wasn't for me. I mean, I honestly I feel like I could probably use it now, but it's like I prefer not to. Sarah said I like your videos even though I don't comment. Honestly, I appreciate it. I understand if you don't comment on my videos. It's like there are some people I watch all their videos. I make sure to like the video, but it's like honestly, if you don't have anything to comment, there's no need going out of the way to comment. It's that's kind of extra. Like it's like I was like I appreciate the effort, but it's like nah, like just hey, if you're there watching it, that's plenty. Like or like even if you just got it like rolling and you're not even sometimes it's like yo you're probably better off paying attention, but it's like yeah nah. I don't necessarily expect comments, but if you have something to say, it's like it's cool. Trey, hey, I'm doing all right. I'm a little tired. I'm like recovering a little bit, but I'm a little tired. I slept well last night. Most sleep I've had in well over a week, but also ran this morning. So, Sarah, if I was your friend, I would definitely soak up all the knowledge you poured out. Hey, that still waiting on some friends like that. Actually, I got one kind of. He's on this little trading journey. He's on this trading journey, and I'm honestly looking very forward to seeing where it goes. But yeah, actually, I do have a friend that kind of got it. Say, glad you got some sleep. It's quite, yeah, it is. It's like, honestly, I do well with like 6.5 hours of sleep, but I think I got like, might have been like 8.5 last night. So it's like cool. I had a long question. Is it? Yeah, you can send it here. You may have to break it into a couple messages because I think there's a character limit. But hey, go ahead, go ahead. Yeah, probably one of the best places to get an answer right away. Cause I be getting overwhelmed with messages elsewhere. I bought a spy. I hope it goes up. Hey, you and me both. Right now, it's still having trouble getting above this trend line. I do like that it does look like we put in a higher high because it actually, let me see what it looks like on the 15. Maybe on the 5 it's a higher high. So I think we can still push up. I think we cuz even on the 15 it's still like continuous at the moment. So it's chill. Meta has earned it. I want to say, is it Wednesday or Thursday? Let's see. Do they have it this? Oh yeah, it's Wednesday after close. Meta, yeah. Yes sir, D Scurv. Oh, I feel like that should be a good one. So it's like I don't know what their earnings will look like, but I'm interested to see what their guidance is going to look like. And here, actually, let's look at a Meta chart real quick. Also, I like tried to, yeah, Meta. I think Meta looks like it's geared to like rip up, honestly, like to take out its highs, because they had like this little. You see this right here, this channel pullback. I think they're gonna at least take out that 749. What are their contracts going for? That's what I would think. I don't even. Oh, honestly, I hope they don't go anywhere. Pull back to this trend line to the other side, and then set up for that. I hope they don't move like on their earnings. I want to get like a cheap call. I hear you. Tasty trade not the best, however, for us in UK. Hood and Weeble doesn't allow us to trade. Oh, interesting. Okay. Anyone on here knows any better broker for options in the UK? I cannot say. I know when I used to do it in the morning, we had somebody. I think Julie was out there, but I think or when we used to do it right at open, but I don't think Julie has been coming to the stream since I've moved it to this time. So yeah, I'm not really sure, but yeah, if you're in the UK and you trade options, hey, let her know. Are y'all able to get TD Ameritrade out there, like, or I guess Charles Schwab, the Thinkorswim? That might be one. SPY moving slow. Yeah, they are right now. Do you day trade or swing trade? I do both. Like I have legit both I'm in right now. I'm in a day trade on the SPY, and then I'm in a swing trade on AMD, and then I also have a sweep, like a leap on Weeble. So it's like I do I do it all kind of. My favorite is the swing trades because I would say they're kind of a little bit easier. Or actually, it really just depends. Sometimes you see the setup. It's like I like the day trades because it's like if you really get on, that's quick, easy money. kind of, if you wait for the right setup, but sometimes it can, I feel like day trading kind of hard on the low. That's what I'm thinking. Meta 800 by September. Hey, very well possible. I was like, I'm not gonna take that chance yet. I don't know. Maybe depending on how AMD runs or when it stops running. Like once I see like some consolidation on AMD, I might spread the trade and make it free. But I'm gonna try to ride this AMD till it stops, and then once it stops, or once it like kind of pauses or anything, any sign of the pause, I might look to that. So if it pauses before Meta's earnings, hey, I might. Okay, let's see. Check out Macy's. Okay, Macy's is up 4% on the day. That's cool. JP Morgan raised this price target. Early tender results. Yeah, but it's jumping on the day. It just crossed over into overbought territory. So it's like overbought, but it's looking good on the day. Let's see. Yeah, so it's got a nice little day uptrend on the day. Here, let's go up to the 4-hour real quick. Volume's still like fairly consistent too. It's not like crazy volume, but it's consistent. So it's looking good. Been practicing with paper trades, just getting comfortable looking at the market and understanding patterns. Any thoughts on what? So I got a playlist that kind of is the order that I would recommend. So here, I'll drop the link for that real quick. Can even like real quick just give you a quick overview of the playlist. So that link I sent, here, let me real quick. Thing right here. Oh, pull up. Where we at? All right, so this, when you click on that link, oh, hold up, wrong thing. Let's get that up. There we go. All right, so when you click on that link, the first video is going to be pretty long, but it's going to show you like how to set up the charts, how to set up like the chart tools, how to like kind of use them, how to read a candlestick, how to analyze a trend, which I think is very important, how to draw trend lines, analyzing the trend on a live chart, looking kind of like at like understanding risk and reward, like where to enter a trade and take profit, then like how to buy a stock, where to get news, how to place a stop, and then like after that there's a couple more videos, how to swing trade for beginners, how to, like some of these you might already kind of know this, but like after you get into the options, like after you start these last three, kind of after people kind of dip their toes in and get their feet wet, I get these questions consistently, so these will also come in handy once you get a little further. But I'll say these first two are kind of helping with the technicals, and then these other ones are kind of more about refining it with options. And I would say that's what I would kind of look to. All right, let's see. Natasha, good afternoon. Late today, my phone didn't alert. Hey. Yeah, it kind of looks, I feel like the pace people came in, it looked like there may have been some late alerts. I feel like you weren't the only one. That's YouTube, man. Wanted to let everyone know that if you have a coin or Kraken account, fraud and phishing emails are on the rise. I got one on Saturday regarding my coin account. Oh, I get those on the regular, and I've been getting those on the regular. So, um, yeah, coin, Kraken, um, even Amazon. Like I saw, I'm not even gonna lie. The one I saw for Amazon, that one looked like really real. But um, guys, yeah, be on the lookout. Like if you see anything about like, hey, your password's been changed, or hey, we need this information, like sign into your account, anything like that, or like just anything that seems fishy, from like anything where you might have to like I don't know, like from these services, make sure you click and look who the sender is first off, because a lot of times their usernames is like way off. Sometimes they're similar, so still like maybe do a little bit more research. But yo, these people are getting good at scamming, so just yeah, pay attention, and then also like take a moment, breathe. Like a lot of times, it'll be when you're in the most vulnerable and or in the most excitable state is when you're most vulnerable and you think less. So, take a moment and breathe as well. All right, do trade. So I don't trade pre-market, but I do like I do like I did take my entries before we got on stream today. But no, I like the time that I would say most days I'll start now around like 10:30 or so. I don't uh I don't really mess with the early morning stuff as much. Most of the time it's just taking profits. Audio Reese. So you said something on OSCR. Question on OSCR. What do you Did you say something about OSCR? Because if you did, I don't see a comment about it. The last message I see from you is SPY moving slow. And then I don't see anybody else that said anything about that either. Audio Reese. What do you see IWM doing in August? I actually, so apparently August is a month where things pull back. I don't know. We can go back to the monthly chart, but or the weekly chart, but I'll say if it pulls back, maybe it pulls back to 216. If it really wants to pull back nasty, I'll say it goes as low as 207. Otherwise, I would say it continues its way up. Maybe after some slight pullback. That's what I would say. Very, very welcome, Trey. I will definitely be watching your. Okay. Hey, good stuff, Sarah. I never get notifications. I just check around the time. You say, hey, yeah, that's what I do. Like whenever I listen to sometimes I listen to the trading fraternity. I'll just like go on this channel, and then it's like weird whenever you go, you're like, yo, where are they? Like, why are they not here at the time they're supposed to be here? It's very Hey, what's up, my life? Be like, howdy, howdy, y'all. Just heard Sane say September is basically the pullback month, waiting for SoFi to pull back. I feel like I've heard him say that too. But I've also seen like I've heard a lot of people talking about like the historically, when we have Julys like this, August can be like some solid pullback. So hey, we'll see. We'll see. We'll probably get a pullback by that point either way though. All right, SPY. Hey, it's trying again on the 15. Let's see if we can push up some more. Oh, very welcome, Bram. Very welcome. Wait, what time? Hold up. Is it 9:45? Yeah. What's that noise? Look at us trying to push up. Okay. Here, let me go back to a 5 on the SPY. All right, let's see if we can get a new high close. We made our higher high, higher low. Let's see if we can put in another higher high. See if we get that proper market structure. Confirmation of a uptrend. Okay, we need to, if the candle closes anywhere up here, that's a good look. U.S. judge blocks Trump-backed Medicaid cuts to Planned Parenthood. Oh, come on. I saw the SPY try to pull back. I'm gonna need it to stay up. Yeah, I got that notification about Planned Parenthood like 20 minutes ago. All right, so let's see. Nvidia's at 175. And we got AMD at 174. The battle is real. Oh, friendly reminder. Oh, if you have not already come through, smash the like button. Hey, come through. Smash the like button. What are you waiting for? Yeah, really helps to first and foremost free us from El Salvador. You know, times can be tough out here, man. See, we got a solid 22 lurkers in the least. Here, it's this. I don't know how I've been just chilling in here with all the lurkers. Makes me a little nervous. Ooh. Got me wondering if we're gonna do anything today. Oh, let me send a text to my parents real quick. Hey, Stanley, appreciate you. Big time. No, Stanley's not a lurker. Okay, hold up. All right, so hey, taking a look at the poll, I see we're 64% green, 24% red, and 11% say break even. Hey, right now I say the break even people are kind of winning, kind of, still in the green technically, but it's giving break in or break even energy right now. All right, let's see. Be honest, do you guys vote for what you want or what you think it's going to be? So for me, I personally vote. I vote what I think it's going to be. I don't think when I vote, I have to vote on a different account though. I haven't voted today. All right, I'm riding XSP up to 640. After that, it's anybody's guess as to where it might go. Gonna have to look or watch the candles at that point. Here, let's see. XSP. Oh wait, hold up. What I think is what I want. Makes sense, Andy. What I think, but plenty of days I don't vote because I don't know. I feel like if I didn't know, I'd just be like break even. That's my kind of go-to. Cause I feel like you never truly know what's gonna happen. But I feel like green wins most of the time. Facts. I'm on a demo account on SPY. Why every time I do a sell and set my profit loss, it takes all my paper? Honestly, I'm not sure. I think Herbert, I think it's going to depend on like what platform you're using. But honestly, I'm gonna let you know I'm not too experienced when it comes to paper trading. Just because I took all my losses like I took all my losses and it hurt. So I never really got too familiar with paper trading outside of like the whole watch list situation for options. It's seriously bearish. Of that I'm aware. Oh, hold up. My phone thought I said Siri. Just keeping life interesting with the call. I think it depends on what time frame you're on, cause Here, let's see if it's the same thing I saw on the SPY. Here, let's see. All right, here, let's go to a 5. Oh yeah, the trend's a little bit different on this one actually. FOMC and earnings on Wednesday. Hopefully there will be a sell-off tomorrow. I don't know. We'll see. It's very well possible. I would say the next area to kind of like watch for, I don't know, a pullback would be like 634.50 or so. SPY going to say on, I mean that's what it's looking like. It is looking like it's going to chill there. Darius Mayfield, Coinbase. What about Coinbase? I didn't say anything about Coinbase. It's been a minute since I've said anything about it. I see it's down like 3% on the day, but I didn't say anything about it. So if you have anything that you, any questions, hey, feel free to ask, but I don't know anything like specifically about it. Basically the same energy, but with slight divergences. Hold on 1 second. Is that my wife? Oh yeah, that was my wife. Let me see if she can get my package. All right. Yeah, so looks like we caught a sweep a little. Well, actually, we may not be done yet, but the volume is like getting lower. Like the volume is decreasing. So it's honestly not like right now. It's not looking like a good time to be in anything. Here, let's see. I'm up 1,400 on put, but it's rejecting shorts. What do you mean by it's rejecting shorts? You mean it's not like like you're not able to borrow shares to short? It's probably because there aren't any more shares to borrow, or yeah, there's probably not enough shares to borrow. If oh, you mean it's just here, let's see. Four-hour show a big short. Here, let's see. Yeah, it could pull back some more. Low liquidity at 373, but yeah, it could pull back some more. Actually, no, I would say this 369 kind of area. Looks like there could be some liquidity there. XSP appears to be turning to the upside on the 15 minute. Shouldn't have gotten into this. Candles are too weak. Yeah, they're. It's like the volume's like low. We need some energy. Well, this is fun. Got some good little volume and whatnot. Who here trading cracking and not profit similar to lurkers be lurking? Hit that like button. Oh yes, yes, please hit the like button. Here, let's why hold up. It's July 27th. Hold on one second. I got a company that keeps charging me for something and I changed my subscription, so I don't know why they charged me again. Okay. All right, where we at? Wait, who here? Wait, so you said who here in Kraken and not a profit similar to buying options? I have some XRP. Oops, and our profit similar to option profits. You speak to, okay. I have coin and Kraken, but only trade by crypto right now. Yeah, I would say. Anybody trading DG? Not I. I am not. But I feel like we have people that do. Oh wait, hold up. That's not where I want to look at that at. Don't these apps charge to trade crypto, Kraken? I know Coinbase for sure does. I don't remember about Kraken. I made like one transaction. I'm really not sure. But I think I feel like I haven't ever not been charged. That's one thing I don't like about crypto. Like the fees and stuff. Just makes me want to hold it. That's kind of like when they try to make you pay for shipping. It's like, do I really want to buy this item? I was like, you'd be better off making it like $15 more expensive than making me pay for shipping. My wife went golfing. Oh, hold up. I gotta critique my wife. She sent me her golf swing. Like slow mo. Okay, let's see. Okay, I was up 50% on IWM, losing that gain, trying to practice holding until the target is hit. I know how you feel. Thanks for the videos. Watched them all and they were hey, you're very welcome. Very, very welcome. I'm glad you found them to be handy. Oh, I think you might be behind, Henry. Let me message Henry real quick. All right. Hood finally hooding to the let's see the hood on the come up. Okay. Let's see it. Tesla's still trying to come up too. Hey, if AMD wants to come up too, we'll take it. Man, we are consolidating. Man, SPY. Wow. You see what we look like on a 1 hour. Whoa, why is it so zoomed in? Why is my where are all my why is my trading view so here? Let me there we go. What happened to all that pre-market energy that hey for real? It'll probably bring us back tomorrow. So the swing I got, hey, maybe we'll be all right with that. We'll see. Guess we'll just have to see. right, if you short crypto on Kraken, do you get similar? Yeah, I have no idea. All right, we look like we're trying to come down again. Okay, we're at this 30 EMA. Hold up. But we're still like stringing. All right, I'm gonna give it to the end of this 15-minute candle. We haven't like confirmed below this, but if we do, yeah, I'm taking my L. Left arm straight on that. Hold on, let me see. Yeah, yeah. I mean, if that's the way you're swinging, yeah. Wait, let me see what way she's swinging. She might need to keep her right arm straight. Oh, hold up. She normally tries to swing the other way. Oh, hold on. Let me see what she just said. All right, so we're here watching. We're trying. Master ERC, good morning. Yes, this is not easy sailing, Philip. Not smooth sailing. Moving through troubled waters right now. Market is waiting for data on Wednesday. Yeah, luckily my trades weren't too large, but I think we got a little data coming tomorrow too. Yeah, we got Jolt's job openings, consumer confidence. Oh yeah, we got a lot on Wednesday. Oh yeah, Wednesday's big. When you draw it like that, it's almost, yeah, it's like we just kind of like more faked out to the upside actually. I'm gonna still wait for this candle, but hold on, y'all. I'll be right back. My wife needs help. I'm gonna have to. Okay, never mind. Oh, she got it. Never mind. I'll be here. Yeah, I might need to flip and try to ride the other way. Or no, I'm not gonna try to flip and ride the other way, but yeah, might call it a day right here. So we are here currently chilling. Out of my calls, 0-2 for the day. The chart wins again. Should have done my due diligence and checked the higher time frames. Hey, I might be right behind you. I'm gonna give it like 9 more minutes, but yeah, I might be right behind you, Darren. Bears gotta win every now and then. Like no El Salvador. Hey, yes, no El Salvador. All right, so we're what was it? We're like, yeah, we got 15 lurkers on the stream, at least right now. At least 15 lurkers. It's a lot of lurkers. Oh, my wife's home. Be right back. Are we moving yet? No, we still don't have any movement. Okay, wait, 70-second non-lurking. Appreciate that. 1 for 2 today. NTSLL and SPY. Hoping the TSLL was to the upside. No all-time spot highs from SPY. SPY 634 pullback. Think that's where demand is. Yeah, we got some liquidity. Well, I see yeah, we could pull back to 634. 634, 633.50. Oh, well, I was lurking, listening while hey, it happens to the best of us. But yo, Yeah, as long as we somehow end up liking, hey, it's all good. All right, so I kind of took profit on my AMD. I have a spread now. So it's like here, let's see. I'll share it in the Discord, but I sold a 185 call against my 182.50 call. So if it expires above that, I'll get an additional 250 from it. Go to the Discord. Sold a further strike. Send those photos. All right, so let's see. I've been studying how to use the desktop and how to use all the buys and stops on the charts. I'm new to it and I've been messing with it for a while. It's confusing to me. All the buys and stuff. So I personally don't do that. So it honestly might be confusing to me too, just because I don't use the buys and stops on the chart. I do everything in my phone. I just use the charts to draw. This is not financial advice. ES, excess, testing the theory. I know we have a lot of earnings coming up with OKLO and SMR are ones to check out. Both nuclear energy stocks have been ripping. Doing a video on how to operate the. Oh, Josh, I just said I don't know how to do that, so I'm not the one to do that video, unfortunately. Like it would be, it's like I share the knowledge that that I can actually kind of have, but I would say that's not really knowledge that I would say I have. But yeah, like execution on my phone, that is what I do. Yeah, the charts are just for looking for me. I don't know, maybe it's because of like just how I started trading, but I find it a lot easier on my phone. All right, so we just got that candle close. Let's check the volume. Still no volume. All right, so that might be it right there. taking my little L. All right, so I sold out of the 0 DTE. Let me see. Sold out. Hold on. Sold out of 0 DTE for a loss at 7 cents per share. Yeah, I was about to say, don't tell me it's trying to go up now. All right. Honestly, I'm gonna start looking for, solid pullbacks. So here, I took this AMD to about right here. That was cool. Let me add an alert on this 4-hour EMA on the AMD, or 13 EMA on AMD. Start looking for puts on the SPY. Yeah, puts might be the move. Let me honestly, I still might be able to. Nah, I think I'd rather wait around for support personally. Just because it's like not as obvious. I would say like at market, or actually it wasn't even market open. At market open, it was still like, it still looked like it was set. So no, that's not even market open. So no, it's like the obvious move wasn't, it was already kind of like taken. So it's like if you were able to do it in pre-market, it's like the obvious move was there, but it's like I'm looking for obvious moves. It's like sometimes they get me with the theta burn if I try to short. Let's see. So here I'm gonna do kind of like a, I don't guess actually let me look at OSCR. Let me look at this on like a weekly chart. That's kind of chilling in the middle. I'll leave that alone. Roblox has earnings this week. I'm gonna leave that alone too. I wanted to look at Meta. still don't have like a daily candle close above here yet. Still gotta wait there. Got a little pullback on Tesla. All right, so SPY's in the red now. 13 cents in the red. Let's see. Q's is still in the green. Palantir, man. APLD is back at its trend line right now. So it's either going to sell off from here or it's going to find life. There is some liquidity right here too on the APLD. That might be something. Alright, so I set that on APLD. Boeing has earnings in the morning. Oh, Nike's back at 80. They didn't do it for earnings, but they did it now. Hit it this morning. Yeah, may just have to wait. I'm not just saying anything. I just want to pounce on at the moment. Oh, but I get a lot of questions about SoundHound. They kind of had this little, I guess pennant formation. It looks like they might be breaking to the downside, so there might be a pullback coming on this. Looks like first level I watch out for would be like $11.10. Below that, like $10.70. Then below that, $10.50, $9, or then about $10 or so. I'm gonna keep going. We got BBAI over here too. Let me zoom out and look at BBAI real quick. SPY still fighting. My stop loss has not triggered. Hey, SPY is not being friendly to the short term. That's all I gotta say. So they did a good job slowing it down for me today, kicking me out. BBAI has earnings August 11th. And honestly, I'll just have to sit on this money and honestly see what kind of oh, hold on, my wife needs a camera. Let me see if she or make sure I don't have any videos on it real quick. Oh yeah, we're good. Okay. Be right back. Alright. Yeah, BBAI earnings the 11th. I would love to see them pull back to like $4. How do you determine how much you lose per day if you do not execute the trade and you have 1 week to call? Wait. How do you determine how much you lose per day if you so I guess you didn't see when I shared it, but here, let me run it through again. So I would highly recommend watching that link like this. If you click on the link I just shared in the chat, this is going to be hold up, let's see. But going on with the video, also wanted to. This is gonna be a playlist. This is a playlist of like is gonna help you with everything when it comes to like specifically what you just asked. You're probably gonna get your answer to that question in video 6, and if you don't get it in video 6, watch video 7. Because this video 6 is going to show you how to kind of determine the pricing and whatnot. And then I feel like video 7 will kind of help it make more sense. So I feel like watch those, and I think you will get your answer to that question. But it's a little complicated for me to explain right now with I guess with my level of brain functionality. All right. Elegant Boom, top of the morning, or actually good afternoon. How do you think SoFi will do for earnings? I don't know. I'm hoping SoFi pulls back, but we'll see. It's like I think SoFi will do well on the year, but ultimately, I think the move is to wait until after earnings and then try to like kind of respond there because pre earnings moves don't usually play well. I feel like we can see SoFi is overbought, and it's like I think there are good things in the pipeline for SoFi, but I would say like for them to play out, I feel like I feel like they'll personally pull back. I'm not sure if it'll be right away, but I feel like they'll pull back personally. But I still see growth. Palantir's been dipping all day. Yeah, it's so yeah, Palantir's been dipping all day. TSLL dipped and sold my stop loss. I profited, thought I was gonna get more. Hey, at least you profited. Yeah, it is right in the 13 EMA. This is a level of support, but it might fall because the volume is also pretty low on Tesla as well though. Short term, SoFi earnings sell off. Long term, yeah, yeah. I would like to. I feel like I would like to see a lot of earnings sell offs right now, and then after that, you know, like let me get some scoops, and then after the scoops, it's like, hey, do what you want. Only when I'm in a call does SPY decide to do this. Yeah, it's kind of annoying. Yeah, I had to close out one of my calls. The other one, I don't have day trades, so we'll just be here. What do you think on Nvidia? I think Nvidia can go up as long as nothing negative is said towards it. This is painful. Yeah, if you're just sitting in like watching one thing or whatnot, I think uh I think I'm out of what was painful for me. So it's kind of like a slow burn day. It's like we're selling off, so the trend is down, but it's like really slow. So they're trying to not. It's like unless you got in at the start, it's like the profits aren't anything crazy. How long are your swing trades? Depends on how fast the market wants to move. I just like today just took profit on a AMD swing trade. Got in Friday, got out like probably within the past 30 minutes. So I would say that's about a day and a half if you don't count the weekend. Got that SPY 640 for tomorrow. Oh, well, yeah, the SPY 640. I'm gonna say it's not looking as good, but there's still hope there, but I'm gonna say it's not looking as good. I would have probably cut out if I had the day trade. Actually, I'm not sure I would have cut out yet, but it's not looking as good right now. Did you sell all your contracts that so no. I only had one that expired for tomorrow. So I'm not in like too big, but it's like no. I'm still in it because I mean I don't have any day trades and I don't think it's worth it to sell a contract against it, so I'm just holding it. So yeah, we'll see what happens tomorrow. We'll see what happens to the in the second half of this day too. It's like we don't know. It's not looking the best, but we did also kind of come to this low. Here, let's see real quick. Oh, it's like when you go up to the 4 hour, we're still like we still got the candles coming. So honestly, on the 4 hour, this could be the start of the little spy sell off. You know how they say shoot. Actually, hold up. I might have to cause this could be three black crows on the uh on the 4 hour. Hold up. Let's see. Yeah, we might have three black crows. Oh, let's see. Headed out early to see my wife's fam. Hey, peace out, D Scurv. Hey, enjoy your time. I hope you have an amazing day. Cool things. I believe it'll go up overnight. I might end up getting like a short, like with some time on it, just to I don't know if this is three black crows. Well, actually, the second one's not really that strong. I don't know. Cool. I tendency to go up overnight. I noticed that last week every day. The next morning it came up. Your videos popped up on my feed yesterday after I got off. Hey, welcome. Hey, welcome to the family. Den of Uncle G. Welcome. Let's see. Let's get live. Hey, what's up, family? Let's get live. We're live right now. All right, coin making the drop with its head and shoulders on the 1 hour. Double profit from when I last asked. Hey, that's what's up. That is what's up. Hold up. Feel like this looks better on the one. Okay, that's like I feel like I see it more on the 4 hour than the 1 hour. But yeah, I was looking at this right here, this support. That seems kind of close for an option that I would grab. Finally took my L, losing my mind. Hey, there will be another trade, Philip. It'll hey get that head back. Yeah, I think you need it for the next one. All right, we got the Q's about to cross to the downside. Let me take a look at bull too. Real quick. While I'm here kind of preparing for things. No, we'll leave that up. You said, what's up with Palantir? So Palantir, it was up at resistance, right? I made a video about this. It didn't we never got here, let's go to a weekly. So if we look at Palantir on a weekly in that channel, so we have this channel here, let me get rid of this. We have this channel on Palantir that it's been respecting, right? So we have support here, resistance here. You know, every time it goes and touches support or resistance, it kind of reverses the other way. So it we kind of opened up at resistance, so we kind of just sold off. But actually, it looks like we kind of sold off and then we bought up. So yeah, it's like we hit resistance and then we kind of sold off. So that's, in short, that's what's happening. I made a video about this last week. I think it was about how Palantir is potentially easy money right now, and how you can actually use it to take advantage of it right now. Here, let's see. Think yeah. If you go to my channel, this video right here, how to make easy money using trend lines on Palantir, 5 days ago. Hey, that right there, yo. This is still very much in play, and had you watched that and applied it to today, could have caught that move. Because it was definitely something I had thought about at open today. How is there more poll votes than Hey, smash the like button. Hey, that's a good point. How many poll votes do we have? Yo, we got 100 votes on the poll. Yo. Oh, now we just got another poll vote. Hey, can we get the likes up? Can we smash that like button? Save us from El Salvador. Might be a nice move. Oh, we still got Nvidia kind of Nvidia's still trying to do its thing. Okay, I see y'all with the likes. Okay. I see y'all trying to okay. Hey, we're 10 away from El Salvador. It's crazy that it takes most of the stream for it, but hey, looking good, looking good. That's like I don't even that's like if there's a lurker out there, I wouldn't even know. I wouldn't even know. You lurkers you're well shielded right now from the work of the family. Still see we got 102 votes, but hey, to each his own. Let me take a look at Meta real quick. Let me look at Tesla on a 30. Yeah, we might have a little bull flag action on Tesla. They might be they might come back to like 39 tomorrow if they keep up the trend. Tesla always moves how it wants to. I still see 55% green. Think we need the SPY to push up about 44 cents for the majority of you to be right. Oh, look at AMD trying to push again. V wave spiking. Oh, dang. Looks like he just filled in a gap, though. Yeah, it's been running all day, but what's behind this? Climbs after securing $50 million equity line. What's the valuation? So they're $162 million market cap. This says 50 million. I don't know what they do though. Okay, so right now shows a strong buy. Engages in the forefront of revolutionizing defense capabilities by integrating. Oh, okay. That would have been nice if you told me about like $5. That would have been cool, but it's kind of, yeah. But like the sector and everything, I think is good. I don't have the budget to get that on top of what I want, but I think it's a nice it has nice potential. It could potentially pay itself off pretty fast. Me too got in at 10. Hey, so already up like what, 17%? That's good stuff right there. Especially if you just got shares. Romero, hey, what's up, family? Yeah, just here watching these stocks on the day. AMD got me a little bit. I was trying to ride, but it looked like it wanted to start coming down. But nah, looks like it might still do its thing. I'll be here for the pullback, so here, let me see what they're okay, they don't even have earnings this week. I'm still technically in that trade anyway. Yeah, 17%, not bad. I know I can see it moving like all different stuff right now. It's at probably like 13, 14% now. Moving all over the place. Yeah, AMD trying to push again. Still like no volume behind that though. All right, V-Wave pulling back a little bit, doing a little cool back or cool off action. don't know what to say right now. That might kind of be the action for today. Looking kind of forward to tomorrow or Wednesday. Oh, let's see in VTS. Let's look at that in a different spot though. Oh, we got Boeing earnings tomorrow too. Let's do like a little preview. So it looks like they're estimated to lose some money. Negative $1.39 per share. That's kind of crazy. Looks like from here they have some support at about like 228 or so. Then about like 217. Hey, what's up, Levi? And then they have demand at like 204, down to like oh, this is a weekly chart. I now only have a chance to come by because I've been busy from work. Hey, it's okay, Levi. You have not missed a thing. I have not missed anything. Oh, Boeing kind of has a good trend on the weekly. All right, here, let's maybe let's see. Will this work? Yeah, I want to see how that holds up. Add a little alert on that trend line. Might be money. Just gotta wait for the setups. Hey, very welcome, Levi. What is this? Wait. Hold on, somebody messaged me in the Discord. Just to be sure you're not calling. All right, let's see. Okay. All right. So, oh, Ramiro, you said got a call from. Oh yeah, that definitely wasn't me. Hey. Uh hey, so yeah, if you can, if y'all are getting calls from anybody, like especially if it's a call, yo, it's not me. Y'all make sure to report that person. Most of the time these people block me so I can't see them, but I'm gonna go see if I can. Oh, I actually do see him. He was, yeah, so I'm about to kick him out. And actually, wait, hold up. Is that me? No, that is me. Okay, okay. I almost kicked myself out. That wouldn't have been good. Yeah, I can't do anything. Yeah. So, hey, you said, how's Nike? So, Nike is doing well today. Palantir, they got like a little pullback on. So, Nike, I saw them hit like 80 today. They're at 79.25. Nike is at an area of resistance, but Nike looks like if we look on the weekly, Nike did a break and retest. Nike might be able to go some more if it pushes past here, especially if it can get past 81. Looks like it could probably make another move up to like 89 or something, but that's on the weekly, so it might be a slow move there, but it's definitely on the table. You said if you kick yourself out, we'll all be nah, y'all be good. So we also got what is it? Also got Alpha Trader in there. And also just got the dude in there like helping with or kind of shooting the financial tips, Isaiah. How is PayPal? They have earnings. So here, let's actually look at them. They do have earnings in the morning. Let's see. Where'd they go on my list? Oh, there they are. So they're below the trend line, but they just crossed up on the here. They crossed up on the 4 hour or on the weekly. So that's a good sign. This trend line might, I don't know, maybe may need to be readjusted. I don't know. Like that may have been too soon to drop. But yeah, there I would say it looks good. So it's kind of at an area of resistance right now. But if it gets the next area would be probably about 82.50. Then you got about 82 or 86. And you got 92. They look like they're in a good position, but it's really gonna matter. Like I guess kind of what happens because they got an uptrend, but it's just like it's kind of how it looks for everything. Everything is like it looks good. Like oh, there is a good potential move, but it's like it's also like at a pivotal level. So it's like PayPal could sell off, and if it sells off, it's like it can get cheaper. But it's also like, oh, it's poised to go up pretty well. So really, really going to depend on some things. I have an $80 call on Nike that expires on the 1st, and a 120 put on Palantir that expires on the 15th. I would say I would expect that you were in the green on both of those for now. Just coming from Friday. So I would expect on the day you're in the green on both of those. Palantir is down like 254, and well actually yeah, depending on what your theta was on the Palantir. And the Nike, yeah, Nike looks like it had a day. Yeah, Nike's up like 4%. Yeah, I know you're up on Nike, regardless. All right, think I'm about to be able to do something pretty cool. I'm just not gonna say what it is until I do it. Let's see. Oh, that's kind of weird. Am I live? No, yeah, we're live. We're live. All right. Hey, I got to be like 100 today. Hey, we are all safe from El Salvador. I don't know why it's giving me an ad right now, but hey, safe from El Salvador. Good stuff, family. Oh, I see somebody came in and decided to be one-on-one. Hey, appreciate you, family. Oh, we got 102. Okay, y'all just got them rolling in now. Oh, okay, y'all are getting out of hand. That's 103. Wow. Had to fight so hard to get to that 100. Then it's like after we get 100, it's like, oh, we got like three. Here's 3% more. All right. So once again, hey, looking at earnings for the morning: SoFi, PayPal, Boeing. What we have going on this afternoon. I'm not going to listen to earnings call, being honest with y'all, but this Whirlpool earnings data should be helpful to us. It'll tell us some things about home builders. So depending on kind of how this goes, this could have some effect on the market as well. SoFi, PayPal, Boeing, Spotify, UPS. This can tell us some things about kind of shipping, how things are looking with that. So depending on like their forecast and how things are with them, that can also tell us some things. Market can kind of feed off of that as well. Oh, hold up. Gotta stop my little treatment. All right, let's get these off. Contemplating taking. Oh, you say yes, sir. Or yes, indeed I am, sir. Over 20% for both. Hey, yeah, that sounds like good money. I took profit on that AMD today. I thought I was gonna ride it longer, but I spreaded it and made it free. So it's like I could get back if there's a good pullback. I wouldn't be opposed to reevaluating a AMD, but as of right now, we'll just kind of let it be. So a little profit never hurt nobody. But a lot may put a target on somebody's back. Okay. All right, let me stand up. Stand up these last few minutes. See how we end up. Oh shoot, we got another one. Okay, I see we're at 104 now. Okay, y'all really showing out. Ooh, let's stand up a little bit more. Yeah, there we go. That's my worry with Nike. It tends to have harsh pull. Yeah, I feel that. And it's like if you're in options, it's like, it can pull back overnight and then you just open the next day. It's like, Oh shoot, y'all keep coming with them. All right, 106. I see y'all dropping the likes. Like, where'd all this come from? I'm a short Nike before it close. All right. Hey, Darius, you might have not Darius. Big Rays, you might have some downside influence. Darius said he's bringing it down. Good shoes don't come out until Saturdays. Interesting reason to short. Very interesting at that. Hey, but a reason. Hey, a reason is a reason. As long as you got a reason. Yo, who's this? Oh, hold up. All right, we are back. All right, Tesla still kind of pulling back. Yeah, we look. Yeah, I might have to. What's Spy looking like down in the dirt? Volume's still low, but yeah, Spy is still kind of riding this down. If it does confirm above us later today, there might be some money there. I don't know. I'm gonna kind of like as we come to the close of the stream. I have this trend line. I just set a alert on this trend line, and it's like I may not be opposed to, like, if it decides to actually confirm. Like today it didn't, like on the 15-minute. If we get a 15-minute confirmation candle, it's like I may be okay with trying to go upside, but right now I'm not sure I really see that. Yeah, it's looking like we're coming down. New lows. Just retro. Oh, Nike have no good releases this weekend. I had to get out of that game a while ago. It's like I'll still look every now and then, but sneakers app, honestly I stopped, like whenever I went to Europe, I got rid of the sneakers app just because I wasn't in place to get them. But like after I came back, I am now like kind of like more aware of like the running shoe situation. I'm like, I know they were kind of out of the loop, but I know they're kind of falling back in. They did some things with the Vomero that people are kind of hyped about. But hey, glad to hear you put it in the market. But with that being said, family, hey, we're gonna call it a day here. Market didn't want to, actually they gave us some stuff to the downside, but they didn't want to follow the same script they've been running. So today took an L, but actually today locked in more profit than the L's that we're taking. So it's all good. I'll be back tomorrow. Said not paying $300 for $6 shoes. I'm not paying $300 for $6 shoes either. But yeah, with that being said, family, appreciate each of. Oh, and shout out to Darius. Darius got the crown today. Okay, new one. But yeah, peace out. Hope each and every one of y'all's trades goes y'all's way. Hope each one of y'all has a blessed day. Matthew Manuel signing off. And I want to change your life. Peace out. Here, let's see who we got. All right. Peace out Levi. Peace out Ramiro. Peace out Big Reg. Peace out Mass 3DRC. Peace out Darius. Peace out Southern Magnolia. Peace out Natasha. Peace out XO Cole. Peace out Anilla. Very welcome. And Darius said, been in the chat, just been silent. Hey, well you're a new crown holder on the day. Peace out, Anella. Peace out, peace out, family. That's gonna do it for the day. Hopefully catch y'all tomorrow. Matthew Man, dang, Spy looks like it's trying to put in another one. Peace out, Jamie. Yeah, Matthew Manuel signing off, and I want to change your life. Peace out, family.